Hello everyone, welcome to A Lessons. I am Sujata, your biology teacher. Now let's have a quick recap what we have learnt in the previous class. We have learned that for control and coordination, human brain is very important along with spinal cord and nerves. We have learned the structure of human brain, its parts and the functions. Now let us see the parts and the functions of human brain. Human brain is divided into three parts. They are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. In the forebrain, there are specialized areas for hearing, smell and sight. This is the region which is present in the forward part of the brain, and you can see their wrinkles. Those wrinkles increases the surface area of the brain, and I said that more the wrinkles, more intelligent an individual is.